Your brain is not your enemy, but it is not your leader either. It was designed thousands of years ago to keep you alive in the wild, not to make you disciplined, focused, and powerful in the modern world. Its job is simple: conserve energy, avoid risk, seek comfort. And that's exactly why it whispers, skip the workout, scroll a little more, start tomorrow, stay quiet. It doesn't want growth, it wants safety. But safety never built strength. And today, you stop letting survival instincts run a life that requires dominance. Step 1. Understand the trap. Your brain rewards comfort with dopamine. Every scroll, every snack, every delay, it gives you a tiny hit of pleasure to keep you still. And slowly, without realizing it, you become a spectator in your own life. Watching others build, watching others win, watching others transform while you wait. The longer you obey comfort, the louder it becomes. And the louder it becomes, the weaker you feel. This isn't laziness, it's conditioning. And what's conditioned can be broken. Step 2. Redefine pain. Most people see pain as danger. High performers see pain as direction. Pain is not the enemy. Pain is the signal. It tells you exactly where growth is hiding. The moment you feel resistance, that's the doorway. The second your brain says, I don't feel like it, you respond, good, that's the point. You don't run from discomfort, you move toward it. Because discomfort is the gym for your identity. And every time you step into it voluntarily, you prove to yourself that you are in control. Step 3. The 3-second rule. Hesitation is where dreams die. Your brain needs time to create excuses, so don't give it time. You wake up tired? 3, 2, 1, get up. You see the cold shower? 3, 2, 1, step in. You're scared to speak? 3, 2, 1, talk. No negotiation, no debate, no internal meeting. Action first, thoughts later. Because action silences doubt, and movement builds momentum. Step 4. Daily war mode. You don't need a perfect routine. You need a daily act of controlled discomfort. One thing that challenges you every single day. Cold exposure, intense training, deep focused work, difficult conversations, waking before sunrise, small wars. Each one tells your brain, you don't control me. Over time, your tolerance increases. Things that once felt impossible become normal, and normal becomes your new baseline of strength. Step 5. Identity over emotion. Weakness lives in feelings. Strength lives in decisions. Most people wait to feel motivated, but professionals don't rely on feelings. They decide who they are. I am disciplined. I am focused. I do hard things. Then they act in alignment with that identity, even when they don't feel like it. You are not lazy. You are trained to seek comfort, and today you retrain yourself, not by thinking differently, by acting differently, repeatedly. Understand this, you are not trying to win one workout. You are not trying to win one morning. You are trying to become someone your old self would fear. A person who moves when tired, acts when afraid, builds when others consume, pushes when others quit. That transformation doesn't happen in motivation, it happens in resistance. You have obeyed comfort long enough. Now you build a mind that obeys you. From this moment forward, when it's hard, you lean in. When it's uncomfortable, you begin. When you hesitate, you move. No drama, no excuses, no delay, just action. And action, repeated daily, turns a man into a force. Now decide, are you ruled by your brain, or does your brain answer to you? Start today.